Good morning, friends. English चलेगा? Yes. Welcome you to Khaida Park or say Shahid Bhagat Singh Park. But I shouldn't say Shahid Bhagat Singh Park because there is no similarity between the character of this park and Shahid Bhagat Singh. You don't see it. So before I move, my mission here is to just make park to be sanitated. At least the people should get the breathing to be healthy, not against polluted like that. This is what India requires. This is what you require more in comparison to us. Plantation is to be done, is not said, not on the part of us, on the part of you people too, so that you can protect like that, you can see. The another thing here is that India we are talking, on television we are listening. Our concentration is to be deviated like that. The thing that is to be discussed, the thing that is to be talked, person doesn't talk like that, is not here. Do you think that from morning to evening you go on chanting Rama, 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 or Islam, 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 Jesus, Jesus, Jesus? Will it fill your stomach?
It's kind of difficult to do that.
No. Will it fill your stomach? No.
You have to do the work.
Yeah. I don't say that you should not actually follow that. I say follow that. But karma is more important. It's not here. Gone are the days. During that time, your requirement is only what? A morsel of food, a little bit of clothes. But right now, you want to have everything. Car, bangla, wife, everything.
All of the
Yesterday, one girl wrote like that. I should not say. मैं कोट एग्जाम्पल उसने दिया था आने वाले समय में शादियाँ होंगी तो SC का 2, ST का 2 और जनरल का 1 भी नहीं कि इनको इसको नौकरी नहीं तो छोकरी नहीं जिसने भी लिखा बड़ी अच्छी बात अच्छा तो ना अब यहाँ पे एक सवाल उठता है कि हम जो हैं कि हम नौकरी पे ही क्यों डिपेंडेंट है ना नौकरी पे क्यों डिपेंडेंट वाई डोंट यू वांट टू मेक द नौकर आउट ऑफ 100 1 बिकम मास्टर अंदर 99 बिकम सर्वेंट लाइक दैट हियर should it be the situation of India like that? Why don't you make your hand to be iron like according to the statement of you can say Vivekanand like that? You can do any sort of thing.
We should stand by our own feet. Basically, we have to do our own work, and we don't need the jobs for all that.
Yeah.
We can develop our own business and all things, so that we can also be ahead of all other countries who are doing well in world right now.
Just day before yesterday's condition of America was not good. You can say just tariff was to be just made and the things are not being sold. Unless the things are not sold, you can see it over that. In the market, certainly your condition not will be good like that. It's not safe. So many times I simply want to just put a question. One nation, one election. Why not one nation, one education? Why not one nation, one education? You can take the example of China. You can take the example of Russia. Russia has got the name of the school in number, not by name. You go to the China, persons are actually simply getting the kids and kids are being looked after on the part of the government, not on the part of the public as a whole. Public, whosoever persons are there, accordingly they are given the job. So why can't you learn from there? Still, we are living in 21st century. Age is the age of artificial intelligence, robot, and we are thinking of what? Feudal system. आपने खादी पहन लिया है ना I'm the boss like that. You know nothing at all. You don't say I'm the boss. During that time, it was Jamindar, landlord. Right now, it is this khadi, khaki, or kese gunda.
Definitely, अभी भी वही सब system.
Yeah. These are to be really supposed to approach like that. It's not sure. Unless you make your voice to go there, I don't think. And persons are just afraid of camera. Camera doesn't tell like that. Suppose we are talking. Certainly, we are talking openly. You don't say recording it here. Let it be listened on the part of the person as a whole.
It be natural. Definitely.
Yeah. And I don't make any editing. And I don't want to please anybody. अच्छा अब देखो मैं सीधी सादी हिंदी में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा अगर चाहते हो रोजगार बनाओ नेता को बेरोजगार कम से कम एक बार अपना कर नोटा का हथियार एक बार जब उसे नौकरी नहीं की तब वो सोचेगा तुम्हारे विषय में और दूसरी बात पढ़े लिखे होने आप क्यों नहीं जाते वहाँ पे वो भी तो नौकरी है जो कुछ नहीं जानता वो आपको सैल्यूट करवाता है कोई बोलता है IAS का जो सबसे बड़ा हमले बेटा वही तो बाद में फाइल होने लगता है ना तो आप क्यों नहीं फाइल ढलवाओगे अब तो पढ़े लिखो है ना अच्छा यू आर 13 करोड़ एजुकेटेड एंड वाइट एज हैज़ गॉन यू आर नॉट लाइकली टू बी जस्ट यू आर सिटिंग साइलेंट व्हाई डोंट यू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शन आई रिक्वेस्ट टू द पर्सन हु आर just actually who come to Delhi with a view to become IAS he couldn't become but he is creating IAS why don't you create veteran leader for the sake of the nation not illiterate not Ayash it's not sure not the person who loves nation, the person who doesn't actually just actually spread, you can say, it over the thing that is thought to be somewhat dirty, somewhat stigmatized like that, you can say.
But that is the issue in India, right? If you want to enter into the election or these political parties, you have to be powerful from your back, from your back generations and your family. Is it so? And for being IAS or IPS or on like high post government jobs, and you have to be like very smart or intelligent. That is the difference. if the roles are converted or like reverted.
Let me tell you, one of my professors during my intermediate classes told me a story. Do you know two types of children come to college? One, simply kiss time, moving here and there, twice, thrice, sit for the BA and after that fail and goes to village and they become Mukhya and after Mukhya, MLA after election. The person who does day and night actually burning the midnight oil becomes IS and he starts carrying the file of that particular person. This is the, I think, irony.
The irony,
This is the irony, isn't it, sir? This irony must be broken, isn't it, so? Somebody must raise voice. If you don't raise voice, certainly the problem will be just more and more tough like that, isn't it, sir? And being a conscious citizen, we must do. My mission is not to just condemn anybody, but my mission is to bring the thing to the track. You see, everything is normal. Your stomach filled. Is filled? No. अब now let me tell my dream. हर हाथ को काम हो, चेहरे पे मुस्कान हो, पॉकेट में दाम हो, खरीद कर खाने का स्वाभिमान हो, संविधान का ज्ञान हो ताकि नेता ठगे नहीं, हंसता खेलता मुस्काता फूलता फलता हिंदुस्तान हो. गलत क्या है? Is it right or wrong? I'm a poet too. I write. It's here. And here I think in Delhi I find a kind of obesity is there. There I have written a couplet in Hindi. इज्जा पिज्जा खाई के तोंदलियों बढ़ाई, है ना? घुटना भार अढोत है दर्द देत पिराई, है ना? अब उन माओ से भी बोलता हूँ, क्यों बच्चे को इतना प्यार करता है, इसका कंधे पे एक बस्ता दो ना यार, भारी होगा तो मजबूत होगा. आप उसको छुई मुई बना दे रहे हो, ज़िंदगी एकदम गड़बड़ है ना? वो चलने फिरने नहीं सकेगा तो क्या करोगे, है ना? तो यहाँ पर भी एक कंससनेस है ना? You come to the park, make your mind and make your heart to be healthy, certainly everything will be healthy. Even medical science tells the person who is actually dirty in the heart, only that type of person gets sickness. It not say. It is not me telling, it is medical science. It not say.
It's a fact.
Yeah. Then another question here is that why don't we remain somewhat peaceful? Right? What for you are just spreading dirt in the society in the name of religion, in the name of caste, in the name of language. And basic thing everybody knows now, you develop from cell to tissue to organ to human. You write John, I write Mr. Prakash, and somebody write Rahim, and after that you fight. Can you tell me a reason to fight? No reason, nothing at all. It don't share. They live peacefully, live healthy. Yeah, this is what a humanism actually requires. But we have forgotten almost all the humanism right now. Am I correct? The another question here is that this generation, if actually just I'm the park, so I'm just talking about park, and you can say narrative for I'm the retired servant, principal by profession, PGT English for the last 40 years. In colleges I taught ignorance here, and right now I am I can say active in social media too. I write poetry in the English, even translator of the world literature like that you can say. But that is not the big thing. Big thing here is to make the thing in country to be on a right track, and this can be only then when you think openly, when you work openly. What type of fear psychosis do you get? We are talking, who will come and kill me? Nobody. I have listened many times, sir, I will kill you. No problem, yaar, you come. And right now, those boys actually comes and tells, sir, if I am something right now, enter the post of officer, at the post of what, it is because of you. Are who knows, two of the words of your can change the life of a person, isn't it, sir? Then you can tell your experience like that. Your qualification or whatsoever things are there, or after that you can tell if the person want to join the area, how can they go? Suppose I'm a teacher, I'm teaching English, spoken. Moving on the track, you're Fauji. Why don't you teach them left, right? I don't say it. And you're a businessman. Just tell the secret, some sort of tips. Certainly will. Sir. This is how if you do, entire society will be healthy. For a few minutes, I'm taking you towards California. In California, one of the gentlemen took $10,000 from a person as loan. After he got the business to be done, he started just returning it to the van. That means simply to no need to give it to me. You give to the person who is needy. After that, tell the same thing. Many years passed, still that $10,000 is actually moving in California. Why not here in India? Why not? Hello, Suresh ji. Hello. 2 minutes चाहिए हमको. 2 मिनट यहाँ पे. अच्छा होगा. और बाकी वहाँ पर है.
8:30 बजे मैं निकल जाऊँगा.
कोई बात नहीं होगा.
दूसरे पार्क में बुला रहा है.
अच्छा. इसको 2 मिनट छोड़ दे, बाहर छोड़ देंगे. बाकी उधर में मस्त. अरे चलो भैया, हाँ, listen. 2 minutes more I will take, है ना. So now I think every day do you come to park?
Yes.
So tomorrow let us have in detail, is it not, sir? A little bit. Just some topic to be just taken, and after that we are likely to discuss over that.
We should raise this issue.
Yeah. Then now actually just when I actually close it here, I simply tell the people, why don't you actually just talk to the people? Communication crisis is there. For that, I suppose you are not talking to anybody. You are feeling yourself to be just disturbed, tension, depression, and after that, like that, you can say.
My thoughts will
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
revolve around
So here one couplet is there. रहीमन निजमन की व्यथा बता दियो सबको मस्तिष्क दबाव ना रहे हार्ट फेल ना होए है ना if you don't talk to anybody you talk to tree
Have you written this by yourself?
yeah I told you अच्छा I what नेता I write देख चोला नेता का कहाँ दिखता कोई गांधी है गांधी कोई बताओ भाषण आश्वासन के बीच कहाँ लाता कोई आंधी आंधी का मतलब परिवर्तन हाँ लाता भाषण दे रहे हैं अरे भाषण दिया दे रहे हो यार क्या मुझे बताओ ना मुझे खाना चाहिए ना मुझे रोटी चाहिए ना वो दे क्या रहे हो है ना और हम भी भिखारी हो गए हैं
There's a difference between speaking and the action.
Yeah. So I simply want to say it about that. Let the country to be strong. Strong will be only then when the human power or you can say human resources are strong. You can see here. Don't actually get yourself to be entangled in the very sweet language, sweet speech. They don't even know how to deliver a speech.
should
They are
rely
simply,
on
है ना?
actions.
They are simply making a reaction. Yeah, allegation, counter allegation, allegation, counter allegation. Out of that, what you write? What is that? And whatever you are just digging the history. No need to dig history. What happened to you so many years ago? Still you just continue like that.
Move forward
Yeah.
and think about the future.
Yeah.
definitely, to
When
sustain.
one thing here, when Constitution was made, situation was different. Right now situation is different. Why don't you make it to be changed? क्यों गलत क्या बोल रहा हूँ? पहले आप धोती पहनते थे, आप पैंट पहन रहे हो ना यार. हाँ, पहले औरतें साड़ी पहनती थी, अभी तो बोलना नहीं चाहिए. बोलना नहीं चाहिए है ना? है ना?
But that is totally normal. ऐसे कुछ गलत नहीं.
नहीं वो नहीं करें, वो सब करो, लेकिन ये ठीक रखो, ये ठीक रखो. लोग बोलते हैं स्वर्ग नर्क, हम बोलते हैं स्वर्ग यहाँ है, यहाँ है, यहाँ है, यहाँ है. ये माता ठीक, यहाँ ठीक, यहीं स्वर्ग है, यहीं नर्क है. यहीं पे हम राम है, यहीं पे रावण है, और कुछ नहीं. चलो यहाँ फिनिश करते हैं. यहाँ पे मैं जब फिनिश करता हूँ बोलता हूँ जय हिंद, जय भारत, पाक जिंदाबाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत, पाक जिंदाबाद. गंदगी मुर्दाबाद, गंदगी फैलाने वाला भी मुर्दाबाद. चाहे वो कूड़ा फेंक करके करे या फिर वो किसी के माथे में आलतू फालतू करके. मैं तो कैसी बात तो कुछ भी नहीं किया गया तुम्हारे माथे फिर नहीं. हाँ जो सही है, राइट इज टू बी टोल्ड राइट. दिस मच. थैंक यू.